Hello all, back again. In this video, we'll watch about how merge and union operations in binomial takes place. So before getting into the actual pseudocode, we must be aware of what is the purpose of this heap union. We already know that any binomial heap will contain binomial trees which have different degrees only. No binomial heap will contain the binomial trees with the same degree. So when we find binomial trees with the same degree inside, we need some procedure to make a union of those binomial trees in the heap. So we need union operation to do that. The union operation includes merge operation also in it. So we shall look into both of its operation in this video. And while linking two binomial trees with the same degree, we have to look into the root of both the trees. So I have to find it and I have to make one tree as a child of another tree. So this algorithm will be looking into how to link a binomial tree with another binomial tree. For example, I'll be having two binomial trees. One is y and z. So let me make y as a child of z. So this is done by this binomial link. And when this y and z are of same degree, this pseudocode is going to take off. So let me explain that with more examples. So let us move on into this one. So binomial link of y and z. For example, I have one heap as 3 and another heap as 1 with value 1. So I need to merge. Both of these are degree 1, right? So when I want to link these two, I need to put some operations. So what should I do is, if this is y and this is z, I need to make y as a child of this z and I should make parent of y as z. We already know that any binomial node has parent, sibling and child pointers also. So now y's parent is z child is going to be y. So binomial link creates nothing. Y's parent is z. P stands for parent. Okay. Then sibling of y. So z may have another child. See, for example, z may have one more child. Okay. So when I link this z to y, so when I try to put this as here, so I have this, right? So this is y, this is z. I am going to combine this y to z. So I have to update the parent. I have to update the child. Also, I have to update the sibling, because after inserting, your tree would be like this. This 3 and 5. This is called as linking operation, right? So this is z and this is y. So y's parent will be z, z child will be y, and y sibling will be z's original child. And z degree will be improving to one more child is added, right? So z degree will be incrementing itself. Okay. So I have sibling of y equal to child of z, child of z equal to y, and degree of z is now incremented by 1. These are the changes that you need to put up in your binomial link, right? So this is how you combine two binomial trees. So this is the representation that we have already seen. This is z and this is your y. So initially z has these two children. So it has actually child is this one. Original child is this, but now I make y as a child. Hence I am updating z child as y and y's parent as z, and after updating I am also updating sibling of y equal to z's original child. Okay, so hence this is made as the first statement. So parent of y is assigned first, then sibling is assigned second, and after that this child is assigned, and you have an increment of your number of children. Hope you understand how does these steps come into when you connect y with the z, right? So this is how your binomial link operations takes place. And in the union operation, there are at most, for any union operation to be happening, there can be at most two roots of the same degree. For example, I have two heaps. One has 3, 5. Just now we have seen, right? And another has 1, 4. This is also a heap 1. This is heap 2. Just I want to combine these two. I want to make a union operation between these two heaps. So there can be at most two roots of the same degree. So what should I do? So that gives that the union operation gives you the directions what should be done. So there are some assumptions about how the union operation takes place. We need another operation called binomial heap merge. This operation will look into that the two roots in H having the same degree, that they are adjacent in the root list. Do you understand? When you have two different trees of the same degree, then they are placed in the adjacent places in the root list. So I cannot have a b of 0 in between. So I can have only b of 0 at the start of then I should have a degree 2, then I should have this degree also. This is merge operation when I want to do with. After merging, then it will be making up the link. Okay, so we need to understand how it is going to be performed. So please don't get confused at this time. Just understand we have an union operation and supported by a merge operation, right? So in order to do this, we are going to consider three different pointers. One is x, another one is previous x, and another one is next x. Okay, so for you, for a simple example for you, let me have 3, 5 at one binomial tree. This is 6. Okay, so this is one binomial heap, and I have another binomial heap like 8, right? So this is H1 and this is H2. Okay, so now you have to combine these two heaps with the union operation. So in order to do the union operation, first you need to do a merge, right? So merging will combine these 4 trees. You have 4 different trees, right? This is one tree, 2, this is another tree, this is 4th tree. Okay, these are all root elements. So we have 4 different trees, and these two trees forms the first heap and the next 2 trees form the second heap, right? Now I am going to put a merge operation. So when I merge this, my 0 degree will be placed first. Okay, then my 1 degree will be placed next. This is the merging operation. It will look into all the trees, assemble all the trees such that the trees of the same degree falls adjacent to each other. This is what described in the previous slide. Okay, is that clear? So merge operation does this. Now after merge, I have to do a union. Because we know that in a binary heap, no two trees should be having the same degree. So this is 0 degree, this is 0 degree. This should not happen. So I should be doing something. So I am naming this as x and this as next x. And if I have anything previous, I'll name it as previous x. So I'll be moving on in this line with these three parameters. So first this is x, this is next x. Then I'll move. This becomes x, this becomes previous x, and this becomes next x. So this is how it will be moving, and you have that naming convention, right? So with this naming convention, after merging, okay, after merging, you are going to do with three different cases. One is order of x and next x are not same if you have an order not same. For example, I am merging. After merging, I get a tree like this. Okay, I'm getting a tree like this. So first this is x, this is next x. So order of x and next x are not same. This is 0 degree, but this is 1 degree. So what should be done? Whether I should do some union? So we shall look into. No, you need not perform anything. Please simply move ahead. You need not do anything. Right? So simply move ahead. So I'll be moving now. This is x and this is next x. So now order is same. So it is not case 1. So I have to do something else, right? So next comes your case 2. Order of x, next x and next x are same. So what should be done? For example, I have 1, 4 and 2. 3 nodes are in the degree of 0. So I have this x, this is nx, this is n of nx. That is, these are all siblings. Okay, so all the degrees are same. So what should I do? This is case 2. What should I do? Simply move ahead. You need not perform anything. Simply move ahead. Is it very surprising, right? Okay, so let me try. Okay, what should be done? I don't know. X, nx, n of x. Okay. Now we'll have the same example. Order of x and next x are same but not next x. So I'll be taking the same example. 1, 4 and 2. So you have only 3 root elements. So this is x initially, this is nx and next x. All are equal, so it is case 2. So we'll move the x here. Now this is x, this is p of x, this is n of x, and there is no n of x. There is nothing. So now order of n and n of x is not same, but you don't have an x next x, or the order is not same. Okay. So when this is the case, what should be done? I have to find the smaller key value. So among 1, 4, 2, I am not concerned about this one, p of x. I am concerned about x and n of x. So these two are same. So find the smaller key. Which is the smaller key? 2. So I have found this is the smaller key. So what should I do then? If key of x is smaller, make next as the child. No, this is not smaller. So this is smaller. If that is the case, then make x as the child. So your 1 will be simply here. Then for the next x, your 4 will be the child. Okay. So this is how you need to react with case 3. Fine. So for doing this link, we have a very simple merging. For merging two trees, I have to just check the root of the key. If the first root is lesser, then I have to link Q to P. Otherwise, I have to link P to Q. This is what we have performed in the previous slide. Okay, now this is an example for you. This is 7, 8. This is order of 2, and this is also order of 2. And there are no other previous as well as next. So I have to combine both of this. So this is x and this is n of x. Your merging operation puts everything in a single heap. So x order is same as n of x. So you need to combine. On combining, what should I do? I have to find the minimum key value. Under the minimum key value, I am putting the another child. This is how union operation is done. So this is another example of how the union operation will be done. You have one binomial heap. This is one heap, right? 1, 9, and it is getting connected with 2. And this is another heap. So the very first that we should be doing is, first we need to put a merge. So how do we merge? 1, then 3. Why? These are all order 0 trees. So that would be put first. Then it will go for order 1 trees. So 9, 11. Then it will go with 6 and 14. Now it will go with this 2. You have 7. I'll be right. This is merge operation. Okay, and after this I have to perform union. So I'll perform merge now. Now I'll perform union. So what should I do for union? I have to designate this as x and this is n of x. So x and n of x degree is same but not n of x. So I need to merge these two. Okay, so now it is 1 and 3. And after merging, it is put up here 9, 11, 6, 14, then your 2, 7, 4, 8. This tree is put up. Okay. So for the single merge, you have merged. Again, you should start from the beginning. So when you have put a single merge, you need not start from the place you have merged. You have to again put your union operation from the start. So again start from this position. Now this is x, this is n of x, this is n of x. Okay. So all the degrees of these trees are same. So what should be done? This is case 2. So simply move ahead. So now I'm moving ahead. So this is n of x. This is x and this is n of x. This is next of x. So this is x, this is next of x, and this is next of x. So this degree is 1, this degree is 1, but this is 3. So these two are same, but this is not. So this is case 3 where you should put a merge. And under link, binomial link. So when you want to link, you have to find the minimum element, and hence you should make 6 as the root. So original child, then make this 9 and 11 as its child. And you have 1 and 3 as usual, and this 2 7, 4, 8 would be there. So this is B of 1 tree, B1, this is B2, and this is B3. So now you get the resultant. This is how you merge your binomial heaps. Hope you understand with this example. So this is an algorithm that takes the same. So what we have done is we will be starting with we are going to merge your H1 and H2. Two heaps are there. So this is the final heap. So hence I am making an empty heap and I am making that head as binomial heap merge. So I am merging these two heaps and giving the first element as the head of H. Okay, hope you have this merge operation, right? This is the merge operation. So this would be the head of the merged. So this would be given to here. And x equal to, now start the search from the head. So your previous will be nil and x will be head and next x will be sibling. Sibling means the same element in the root. So you should be moving until your next equal to null, and whatever case that I have told you will be here. If degree of x is not equal to degree of next of x, that is simply move ahead. Okay. So not equal, where this is case 1, and degree of x equal to degree of x and sibling of next of x is not equal to null, and this is also of the same degree. So this equals the second case, x, nx and nx, everything is same, right? So in both the cases we need to simply move ahead. So these two steps are simply move ahead, make x as previous x and make next x as x. So I have to jump to the next node. So simply move ahead. Otherwise, I am coming for the case 3. Right? So case 3, I have to check the keys. Which key is minimum? If it is x, I have to make next x to be its child. If it is next x, then I have to make this as child. Please do not interpret this as minus. It is actually next x. It's a variable, complete variable. Since it's a pseudocode, it is given like that. It's a simple variable, right? So if x is minimum, then I have to make this as the child. So that steps are being given. See, I am making link. I am making next x as the child of x. Otherwise, I am making x as the child of next x. So I am moving with the next x. So doing the same thing with the next x. Again I am moving and doing the same thing. Right? So this is how your merge operation takes place. Okay. So this is a small exercise how the merging operation applies with this. See, this is first heap B0, B1, B2. You know about this. This is B0, this is B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. And this is B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So they have given this in a reverse order. So what shall I do? First I have to merge everything. So I am merging it. So merging it will be giving, see, this is two B0s. So I have one B0, right? Because this here I don't have a B0. Then I have two B1, one at first heap and second one at second heap. Then I have two B2. Then I don't have B3 in both the things, and I have only one B4. And I have two B5. So this is the merge operation result. Okay, and your head will be pointed by this. Okay, so this is the resultant merge operation. So this is being given here. So B, B1 to B. Hope you understand this one, right? Now this is X and this is next X. So I have to look into the order. So when I look into the order, this is 1, the 0, 0, 0. 3 cases are same. So hence I am moving. And moving, and I am seeing this is 1, but this is of order 2. So this is case 3 or 4 which links to that. So I am linking this 2. So which one should I link? I have two B1 trees, but I should link the one with the lower value in the root. Okay, so I am just linking that. As I have only 1 or 0, I can place anything here. So when I combine B1, it becomes B2. This structure represents your B2, right? So B2, B2, B4, B5, B5. Next again I start from the same place. This is X, this is next X. Okay. So I have to start. So because from the start I have adjusted everything. So I can start from the X. So X, next X. So when I go with next X, this is B2, this is B2 and this is B4. So you have a difference. So combine these two. So when you combine, you get a structure like this and it will become B3. Now I start with X and next X. So you should not end up, it should go on until I find out an end. So X, next X. Again this is B4, this is B5. So no problem, I can continue. This is X and next X and there is no node here. Hence I have to combine to form a B6. So in the combined version I have B0, B2, B3, B4 and B6. See, I have a B0, B2, B3, B4 and B6. So I have just put on those and I am trying to get the decimal value of this. So this is equivalent to 39, this is equivalent to 54 and when I try this as 93, what do you observe? So when you put a total of H1 plus H2, you get this original total. So this binomial heap union operation is helpful in adding two binary numbers, right? So this is one algorithm that we could learn from the binomial heaps, right? So please don't get confused with the order it has been put. This is actually B0, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5, right? Hope you understand how this addition leads to an answer in terms of the binomial heap merging operations, right? So this is how you need to do the union and merging operations. Thank you for watching. We shall move with our next video with how to insert, right?